Now that you've made your first badge, it's time to build a basic set that you can use to reward your students for mastering learning objectives. The hardest part about making the first badge was getting the size right. Once you've made one badge though, you don't have to start from scratch again. You can simply copy the original badge and edit it. This is one of the best things about using digital resources. They're so much more flexible than physical ones. First, find your Badges folder in Drive and open it from the folder structure on the left. You'll see all of the files inside the folder that you click on. For now, there's only the one you made in the previous video. Right-click on the image file containing your first badge. You don't even have to open the file. Select Make a Copy from the drop-down. Right-click on the copy and rename it. I want to create a badge to award XP, experience points. So I'm going to call it 50 XP. Okay. Now we're going to open the 50 XP file and we see that it is a clone of the Mega Energy badge. We want a different look for our XP badges. So the first thing is to get rid of the lightning bolt. Just click on it and press delete. Let's open the Shapes menu, and there are some nice graphics in the callouts section. I'm going to use the up ribbon. Use whichever one you like. You can try several images. Just delete one and replace it with another until you find the one that looks best to you. Now, since this is a different type of badge, let's give it a different color palette. Use any colors you like. You can tell what part of the badge you've clicked on by the outline with the sizing handles, and also by the colors displayed in the Fill in Outline tools. First, I'm going to change the colors for the ribbon. So I'll click on the ribbon and pick colors for the fill and for the outline. I don't quite like that, so I'll go with a green color instead for this one. There we are. And now I'll make sure I select the main part of the badge, and then I can change the outline and fill colors for that too in the same way. This badge is going to have some text in it, so I'm going to select the text box icon in the toolbar. And don't worry too much about the alignment for now. Just get it in the general area where you want it and type in the text. I'm going to put this in here. It's not going to fit, but we'll make it fit later. Okay, 50 XP, and as you can see, there's going to be some adjustment to do. And we can change the font and drag the handles around to resize the text box until it looks good. We'll pull this out to the sides here until it all fits. There we go. Now I'm going to bold it and give it a brown color so that it matches the rest of the badge. That's pretty good. Finally, I want to make sure the badge has a transparent background so that wherever I end up pasting it, it won't show up with a white box around it. Okay, you now have two different badges in your Badges folder. It's time for you now to design some of your own. You can play this video again to walk yourself through the process if you like. Otherwise, play around and have some fun. Create 3 more badges and try to make them all different. You'll then have a basic set of 5. Just remember that Google Drawings are live, so if you use an existing badge as a template, make sure to make a copy first.